Hello, everybody. Hope you are doing well, and I think everybody is happy to start your classes and joining in undergraduate or postgraduate courses in Xidian University. And congratulations to those who has received scholarships. However, many of us we are having trouble in activating our profile, selecting our course, basically making our training plans. Actually, it is a little bit difficult to express these things, these matters, or your queries, issues in text writing. So I thought maybe a video presentation might help you in this regard. So I am trying to make this video for assist you in your these activities. However, let me start with the account activation process at first. In the account activation process, you can remember, probably you remember that in the group of WeChat, Miss Ko and who uh, um, uh, have shared some documents with us, and this is one of them. So this document will is describing all the steps required to prepare your training plan and course selections. And the other one, this document actually uh, uh, has your password, which is default by which is say will to which will require, which is the default password set for against your account to activate your profile. After activating, you probably might want to reset your password or change your password. However, let me um, show you this Excel sheet. This has been provided by them. Here you will find your student ID, which is actually a new one. This is not the previous one that you find in the student portal of your application system. So ensure that when you are trying to log in, you are using this ID and the name as it is written in this section. So this is the link for the account activation, and this is the link for course plan or training plan preparation or course selection system. However, this is your default password. So in the when you want to active your account, uh, this is the Google Chrome browser. I am showing you in this browser. So here in account login section, so this is the link I have copied and pasted here. So this is using this link, you just go to this section, okay, account activation section, and here after clicking this you will find a page, okay, where you will be required some informations. In this sections you have to give this ID, which is shown in against your name in the Excel sheet, and then you require this name, so copy paste your name, and in case of ID card you should select the passport, and then you have to give here your passport number, give your passport number, and then after filling these characters you have to click on the next. After clicking the next, there will be a pop-up window where you will see that your account has been activated, and then it will not move to the step 2 or 3, it will not move there. So what you have to do, you just go back to your initial page, okay, login page. Now you try login. So since I have already activated my profile and I have changed my login in a ID to alias and the password, I have changed my password as well. So using this I can log in here, but you have to use your student ID and the password which I have shown you in the PDF file and in the Excel sheet. So these are actually not present in your Excel sheet. I have copy and pasted here so that I can take it easily. So you have to use this password in your during your login. So after login, you will have options to change your password, change the security. You can set your security questions, login aliens, and so anything. So you can do these things. Well, after activating your account, now you should go to active. You should go to create your course plan. So follow this link. So just copy this link and go and paste this link into the sections. Okay. So I have already logged in. So if I log out, now here in this link, after you should say, provide your student ID, not the alias. Okay, you have to provide your student ID and the password. If you change your password, then you have to give that password. Otherwise, you have to use the default password. So it's up to you. So now if I want to log in here, it is already my data are saved. So let me just type this verification code and log in. So here is my profile, and in this profile you can see that I have to take total 31 credits and I have not taken any credits. Okay, and here you will see that starting and ending of this process that will help you to keep monitoring your deadline. So in this, from this, we have to go to the sections where you can create my plan. So if you click on my plan, then it will move to the my plan section. In Google, using Google Classroom, you will find that your translator might have difficulties to translate. Okay. So there is a really problematic issue. Many of us were facing the same problem. We do not understand what is written in Chinese in this space. So it, as a foreigner, it is very difficult for us to cope or to maintain or to fulfill this training plan. However, now I am going to show you this process using Microsoft Edge browser. This browser is dedicated the built-in browser with the Windows 10. So you can have this browser. If you do not find it, just type here Microsoft Edge. Then it will be Microsoft Edge. So here, so click open. It will be open. However, now I will move to my Microsoft Edge. Well, here I am in Microsoft Edge browser. Here you can see my profile. Let's go to my plan. Let's have my training plan. Okay, this training plan is basically for your whole course. For example, in my case, I have a master's. I am a student for master's course, so I got to complete 31 credit during my whole period, whole time. That means 2.5 or 3 years. So here you can see that there are some basic required courses. So these are mandatory. For example, political theory class, 3 credit is mandatory. So this 3 credit has been pre-selected in your profile. English public class, 8 credit. These 2 classes are also pre-selected. And these required links to credit, these are also pre-selected. So you do not have to worry about these fields. However, we have to choose math classes, specialized classes, and optional courses. In case of optional courses, 12 credit, specialized courses, 3 credit, and math courses, 3.0 credit. So 13 credit has been already selected in your plan, and rest of the credits you have to select. Now, how you will select these courses? First of all, have a look on this page that though the text has been translated by Microsoft Edge, but these texts are not being translated. However, in the last sections, it's also been translated. So there is a translation issue. So to solve this issue, you can simply go to this task link bar, and here besides the uh, bookmark option, you have a option which is translation option. So click on the translation option and at first show original, so that this is the original look of this page, and then you translate the page. Now see, you have all the text has been translated into English. So you know what are the courses. In case of political theory, this is China overview, and in case of English public plus requires these are here you have to take 8 credits, and 8 credits has been selected already, so have been added to your plan already, and this course is in autumn 2000. Autumn 2021. It is already selected autumn 2021, and here it is autumn to spring 22. So these courses are selected and plus term and everything has been set. So all these things you have to do for the other fields. Okay, other fields, for example, this math course, specialized course, and other options. So to do so, at first we have to go to this uh, tab, this button. Okay, so add or delete this professional courses. So let me go there. You are having same problem, the translation issue. So don't forget to retranslate it as I have shown earlier. At first show original and then translate. So everything has been translated. This China has been selected. So this English course has been selected, and you have to select mathematics. So in case of mathematics, there is two courses. I am expressing this one for for my case. My case, that means I am from my department, my faculty is the School of Electronic Engineering. So my major is Electronic Science and Technology. So these courses are assigned accordingly this electronic science and technology, this major. Okay, so you have to adjust, or you have to select by yourself what is suitable for you. So don't worry about the course name, just uh, get to know how you can do this. Well, let me select this one. So since I have to select 3 credits, so here it is 3 credit course. So this is 3 credit. It is done. And in case of professional course, I need to select 3 credit. So let me select another one. Okay, so this is 3 credit. It is better to finalize your courses after discussion with your supervisor and teammates, those who will be working with you in the with your supervisor. Okay, under your supervisor. So optional courses requires 12 credits. We have to allocate here. For example, I am taking this one, this one, this one, this one, and think that no other uh, courses is suitable for me. Okay, then probably I will leave this. So, so now you can see that my math course has fulfilled its requirement, and specialized course has been fulfilled its requirement, and the optional course yet to be fulfilled. Well, since I have to take more 3 credits, so now I can select this from another option, because I have seen that in these sections I do not find any other course interesting to me. Also, there might be another thing that your supervisor asked you to choose a course, a course which is not added in this field. So you can always choose your courses or your desired courses from course library selection. Here you will find a list of courses offered by your institute or your school in your program, okay, for your program. So inquire will give you the course names. So for example, I will take this one, and this one. Okay. So there are so many other pages. I am just showing you the example. So no need to bother about this. So let us go there. Okay. Now you can see this optional course is beyond your limit. It has to take. It has to be 12 credit, but you have selected 14 credit. So you can always make course drops. Okay. For example, if you want to have dropped from your these sections, you can do this. You can drop from these sections as well. So here I will show you another thing. Let me first translate this page again. So here you can see these the three courses you have selected from the other option um, from the list library selections. These are of the plan. These are of the plan. These are of the plan. So what does this mean? This means these courses probably has not been offered for you, or probably has some issues. Okay, so uh, before you select your course, it is recommended that you should talk with your supervisor, and also you should talk with Miss who in your group chat, contact with the officials, those who are responsible to give you the instructions for course taking. They will help you to select the course. One thing I can make you remember that once you have been circulated this image through the WeChat group. Here there are some schools, they have offered some courses. So in my case, these are the courses. So I can take courses from this selection. Okay. So this is something. Anyway, now you are capable of taking courses and removing it. So let me remove a course from this part. Okay. The inquiry. For example, I am removing this one because I have to take three more to fulfill my plan. Okay. So here you see that I I have to take 31 credit during my whole academic duration. Now here it is 31 credits. So this is the whole your plan. So after confirming that your plan is okay and there is no such issues that is of the plan or something like that, you have to or you can consult with your supervisor, your mentor. You can see the name of your mentor here. So after consulting your supervisor, Professor Young, I will definitely submit an audit. See, when I submit an audit, that means I am requesting my supervisor to to approve my plan. When the supervisor is satisfied and uh, he approve you to go with the plan, then you can select courses for the current semester. And then afterwards, the next semester, you have to select courses from this plan and again from this plan. So this is the process. So since I have not yet submitted my request and prepared it completely, so today it is I cannot show you how can I select courses. So probably in next videos I can show you that if it requires. Until then, see you, and hopefully this video will help you to overcome your challenges. Thank you so much. All the best.